Hello, welcome back to the channel. Right, on this video is we're doing a restoration on a Subaru Impreza WRX. Came in, it's like a green and black, and it's in quite a bad state. As you can see here, we've had to rebuild around the back, up below the back on the shelf, on the back window, and that's have a new bonnet, new boot. The boot lid was rotten when we took the spoiler off. Anyway, Ritchie of AURORA Refinishing obviously worked his magic again. So it's got a lot of photos in it. There's a few little videos on it, and I'll see you at the end and see what you think anyway. Alright, let's go. Scooby-Doo, this is painted. Prepping it now. Rot in here. I think he's saying it wants a new boot lid, I think. See the actual rust into it, see it? Goes any morning, it goes straight through it, I think. So keep on there. He's rebuilt the arches now. How's he get that line like that? Doors are over here. Trying that door. That's it really. And this is before he's polished it. He's done the bonnet, so it comes up. Just about to put the bonnet and the boot back on the car. Obviously that's underneath the inside of the bonnet. That's the finish straight out the boot. He's polished a bit on the roof with the, just got to put the fine grade on it. That's it for now. We'll do another little vid when it's fully built. That was it. Some work on that, wasn't it? I think it came in December. He's been doing it as like a hospital job, I think. But it came in before Christmas 2021. And now it's where we are now, coming in middle of May. I think he was roughly finished it around about the back end of April. We just polished it off, and as you can see at the photos at the end, we finally got there in the end. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll wait till what I'll put on next one, eh? Not cars, building, could be anything. You never know. Bye for now.